All right guys, welcome back. So over the past few days, I have managed to get the entire exhaust all finished up and ready to install, but check this out. Man, it looks brand freaking new. So it turned out really good. I'm really happy with the results from the ceramic paint. I don't know how long this ceramic paint will actually last, but either way, this was much needed and it looks a lot better. It got rid of all the corrosion. But check out these exhaust tips. They look so good now. I've already got the exhaust pulled out, so I basically just need to put everything back in and we'll be good from there. Alright guys, so this side is all done and I got the O2 sensors all bolted in. So the headers are complete. Now I just need to throw in the cat back and then we will be done. Alright guys, so after I got the headers installed, I noticed that I'm actually missing a bracket for the cat back. So I have this bracket here, but I guess there's supposed to be another bracket. So that like holds the exhaust in right there. And then this bolts onto it. So that kind of means that the install right now is kind of on hold until I get that bracket. But at least the headers are installed. Everything went really smooth. And they look really good in there. So yeah, unfortunately, I will just have to wait again. But I will see you guys in a little bit once I get that bracket. And then we can finally get that cat back installed and then we'll be golden. I will catch you guys in a little bit. All right guys, so I ended up getting those parts ordered and they finally came. Check this out. So let's go ahead and open it up and see if we got the right thing. Oh yes, that is exactly what we were missing. So if you look here, these guys will bolt up right there on each side and then I can finally get that bracket to work. Sweet. And it also looks like they sent me a shirt. Shout out to Soul for that. That's sick. I'm so excited to finally get this installed. It's been such a long wait and yeah, let's get to it. All right, so we got the whole cat back bolted in. Now we just need to kind of line up these little brackets here with the back and make sure everything's gonna be all straight. So that way the tips will come out nice and even. we go. All right. Oh, that looks so sick.
That is really crazy.
All right guys, so we finally got everything done. We got the car on the ground, got the wheels back on. Check those exhaust tips out. They look so cool. I really like the black on it, and I really like how far they stick out. It looks super, super good. But with that being said, let's go ahead and start this thing up and hear what it sounds like. All right, Lauren, go for it. Oh my gosh. That sounds so sick. We got a nice little black cloud that came out when you started it. Okay, I'll be totally honest, I thought it was gonna be a little bit louder, so I'm really glad it's not because I didn't want it crazy loud, but this sounds really, really good. So we're gonna go ahead and let everything warm up and check everything for leaks, and then we'll get it outside and give it a few revs and see what it really sounds like outside. Okay, that definitely wakes up a lot more than I thought it would. It's crazy. It sounds like it has a really, really good idle, and it's kind of like almost soft in a way, but then you go to rev it up and it just sounds crazy. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. It's crazy, you can't even hear it in the car. Like, it sounds like it did before, obviously without the exhaust rasp or the exhaust leak that I had. But let's go ahead and get it on the road and see how it sounds on the road. No way. You can like barely hear it.
Yeah, you can't even hear it at all.
That's so weird. That sounds so good. Huh.
Yeah, you can definitely daily
Oh yeah.
drive that easy.
Totally daily driver worthy.
Yeah.
Worthy. So we're gonna wait for it to warm up a little bit, but as soon as it does, we're gonna go ahead and open it up and see how it sounds.
Race car.
I will be completely honest, it is not nearly as loud as I thought it was going to be, which is great because I'm going to be doing a lot of driving in this car. So this exhaust is perfect. It's like, it's really low tone when you're driving, but then when you want it, you just get on it. It just wakes up. That was so sick. Now that it's all warmed up, we're gonna get some warm revs, and Lauren's gonna do that for us. That sounds so sick. My mom decided to give it a shot. You like it? right, guys, that concludes this video of the new sole exhaust on the 987 Cayman S. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm super glad how everything went. It was kind of a long process doing all the paint work and all that kind of stuff, but I think it'll be worth it in the long run. But anyways, I really love how it sounds. It has a perfect tone. It's not too loud, but when you want to get on it, it's definitely there. It doesn't sound like any other car I've really heard, honestly. It's definitely got its own unique sound, which I love. But anyways, that concludes this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and we will catch you in the next one. Deuces.